So these are the oils that you get in the 2019 holiday catalog with the culinary kit set. But these are all the other oils that I have collected over time that have become Vitality oils. Now, I know that all these ones that have these brands on them are Vitality. I just haven't got them yet, so I can use them in my food prepping. But these are all the different Vitality oils that you can actually purchase to use internally and externally, which means in the air and on your skin also. Put in capsule and whatnot. So I just wanted to share that with you. That, let me see, that's quite a line of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And I think all of these could possibly fit on the rack that Essential Racks makes for the kitchen. So just so you know, essentialracks.com. Go check them out. They're awesome. Thanks for watching.